Hey everybody, it's Dan with Invention Today. Good to see you again. I am here with you today with an S&B cold air intake system for my 2023 F150 Tremor, and I'm gonna have some more videos on that coming soon here. But I wanted to unbox this for you real quick here, just kind of show you what it's all about. I was looking for a little better induction noise, and I'm really curious to see if I get that with this system. And I want to also test and see if there's any kind of different sound coming out of the exhaust. So we're going to look at both of those. I have no idea what the results are going to be. Maybe it will help, maybe it won't. But first off, I just wanted to unbox this thing with you and just kind of show you how it comes in the mail and what's inside. So the box got shipped by Federal Express. I ordered this on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. And I called S&B just to get an estimated shipping date, and they delivered right on time. Their customer service is absolutely fantastic. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money, and just really impressed with S&B. Now, the box came in really great condition, except for a hole right here, and I'm curious to see what, if anything, any kind of damage there was in that little spot right there. But other than that, the box is in really good shape. So this air intake will fit any of the last 2 generation Ecoboost motors. So it fits the 2.7 and also the 3.5. And but this is a 2023. I'll give you a feel for how it looks inside here. So it's some really nice paper here, just kind of keep things from jostling around. And then here are the pieces. So that is the one of the induction pipes that goes into the motor from the air filter. And then here is, this is pretty heavy, this is the big piece that is where the air filter resides. So I'm going to set this on the ground real quick. And then inside here you've got a bunch of other pieces. So looks like we've got a little rubber cowling or something like that. Here's another rubber piece. Looks like this maybe goes on the end of one of the pipes. And we've got a glass cover here. And then just some more attachment pieces. This is for the air induction system that attaches just above the radiator. And then we've got some other pieces here just to attach everything together. So anyway, we'll pull these apart and take a look at each one real quick. Okay, so let's start with one of the major pieces here. And I'm not going to make this video too long, but if anybody's considering buying one of these, I just want to give you a feel for kind of the quality and so forth of the plastics that they're using. And I really like this S&B system because, you know, they actually do testing on their units. And so you can see it right on their website. I believe this unit actually improves airflow to the engine by almost 40% and over stock, which is really good. And they actually test that to prove it. It's just not a company out there saying what they do, but they've got nothing to back it up. You can see all the test procedures, and you can even watch some videos, I believe, on YouTube that shows how they do their testing on their air intake systems. This piece is definitely OEM quality. The plastic is, I mean, I'm pushing on that with 2 hands pretty hard, and it is barely moving. It is really solid. And I really like the fact that this is high quality plastic, because metal tends to hold heat and the plastic will retain less heat, and you want colder air going into the engine, especially on a twin turbocharged motor. So the fact that this is plastic and the finish and the quality is OEM is really nice. So super impressed with that. Let's go over a couple more of the rubber pieces here, or silicone, whatever this is made out of, and kind of analyze this a little bit. So this is going to go in the front of the motor, and it's really nice. I mean, the quality of this is absolutely fantastic. It is very supple but yet firm, and I mean, they did not mess around when they engineered this. So this is really good too. So we'll do a couple more of these real quick. I wanted to see, these pieces are so important, because if these pieces like this don't fit snug, you'll get air leaking into the motor, and we definitely don't want that. But you can see there's ridges and everything for the clamps to clamp onto, and they won't slip off. If you can see that ridge right here, really nice. And again, similar quality to this piece right here. So really nice. This piece is going to be the window, so you can actually see what the air filter looks like. And so this is actually clear. It's got this protective material on it to so it doesn't get stretched up during shipping and so forth. But again, very, very high quality. It's very stiff and should last a long time and look good over the long haul. Now, the last piece, let's pull this out real quick because this is really the business end of the unit. And again, the same quality materials. They really did a good job packing this. And here's the filter. Now, when I ordered this, I went with a filter that is not an oiled filter. I wanted to keep that part of this air intake system as close to stock as possible. And so I went with the normal disposable filter. This is going to end up costing me about $70 a year to replace this, which really isn't that much above stock. And but you get a lot more surface area on the filter for air induction, which plays a big role in the improved airflow to the motor. But again, very, very high quality silicone or rubber, whatever this material is, and just a really, really solid filter. But I wanted the replaceable kind more so than the oiled, because I found through oil analysis that the oiled filters tend to let more dirt into the motor than the traditional pleated filters do that you have to replace. And so that's why I went with this one. That's also one of the main reasons I went with S&B, because they offer both options. And I just thought that was really, really important. So anyway, love this, absolutely love it. And then, you know, the big box here, which is much, much bigger than stock, is, you can see that in the picture. I mean, it is huge, but everything is gonna match up great. I've watched so many videos on how these are installed, and really, really high quality. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. Wanted to share with you some opinions about how it comes and how it looks in the mail, and the quality of the product that you get when you order from S&B. Again, I'm not a sponsored person from S&B, and I just wanted to share with you my experience so far with them. We're gonna get this installed a little bit later today, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks a lot for being here. Have a good day. Bye.